is going to be nice. I mean, you can get outside, you can enjoy it. But just remember, 4 p.m. to midnight. 4 p.m. to midnight. Wow. That is our time frame for strong to severe storms. So we do have a weather alert for today. Again, your highs, upper 70s. Columbus, you're going to hit 72 by the end of the day. You're waking up and stepping out the door to 60s too, so really not much to complain about till this evening. Another update that I wanted to talk about here, Wednesday. We did have Wednesday as a weather alert as of yesterday. However, we're starting to see that chance for strong to severe storms decrease. So the main threat now, just going to be your Tuesday. And again, it's going to be this evening. Another update for you this morning, some new information overnight. The Severe Weather Prediction Center has now expanded our level 3 out of 5 risk. And now it doesn't just include Columbus and areas to the north, but it also includes areas a little bit further to the east and to the south. Washington Courthouse, you're in this. Waverly and south in this as well. Zanesville, you're right on the line. Millersburg, you're on the line. Nelsonville, similar story. So all of central Ohio is either in a level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk or level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. In those areas highlighted in orange here, this is also where we're going to see the highest risk for large hail, tornadoes, and strong winds. Flooding is still a risk. There's going to be a lot of moisture with the system. The one thing helping us out is we've seen several days of light rain, but we haven't seen just steady, heavy rain leading into this system. So still something we're going to keep an eye on, but the main concern will be that hail. We've got potential for 1 to 2 inch size hail for most areas, especially in those areas highlighted in our 3 out of 5 risk. High winds possible for pretty much the entire region. Tornadoes, high risk as we look in those areas highlighted in our 3 out of 5 risk again. So Columbus, the metro, well within that. We start to see our risks increase as we head into 3, 4 o'clock with strong winds and large hail being the first thing we see with a line that rolls in 3 to 4 p.m. We get a little break, still seeing some showers possible as we head through 5, 6, 7, 8. But by 8, 9, 10 and into the overnight hours, we've got increased risk for strong winds, large hail. We're now talking about our risk for tornadoes beginning to climb as well. And we've got that increased risk for flash flooding as we head through the overnight hours. By midnight, we start to see things wind down. Still going to be talking about some showers though as we head into your Wednesday. Let's see how this is going to be shaping up. So again, nothing going on. Not much for the first part of the day. Models are trying to spit out a little bit of drizzle at times. If we see that, it could help us bring down some of the energy, but we've got a lot of humidity. We've got a lot of warmth, and this front is coming through one way or the other. So we're still going to see something. By the time we get to 3, 4 o'clock, here comes that first line. It's pretty well developed. It's holding together. We're going to get some thunder. You're going to hear this line come through. It's still going to make some noise, but it does break down and move through pretty quickly with less severe threat. A chance for a quick line of showers around 7 to 8 as we head into 9, 10, 11, and midnight. Here comes that strongest line, and you can really see the difference in this line compared to the previous one. We've got more reds. You can see just how big the cells are within this storm system, covering several counties at a time. So again, this is the line that we're more concerned about. It's going to be that 9 p.m. to midnight time frame. One thing I will say, models are shifting a little bit south, so that could bode well for us as we head through the rest of the day, but it's something we're going to have to keep a close eye on as we get more data coming through into the early afternoon hours. So for now, just to wrap it all up, strong to severe storms possible between 4 p.m. and midnight tonight, and we are talking about possible overnight tornadoes. So weather alert for today. Tomorrow, things look a little bit better. We start to calm down into Thursday, Friday, just some rain in the forecast, with temperatures falling back to the 60s.